his hips start to like slip out to the side, I can kind of lose that. You see that? So, you know, if I can't reach the shoulder, if I feel like his hips are just too mobile here, I'll just cup onto the hip like this to keep this thigh controlled. And this gives me a little bit more direct control over the hips. The problem is he can shoulder walk a little easier. See that? So it really depends on what they're doing. If they're shoulder walking, try to get to the shoulder. But if they're kind of swiveling their hips, you might have to block the hip like this. Make sure you're under both of them. Not like this kind of deal. Under. Unless you step the foot. Then you can hold it over and start switching. Yeah. Hold it.